Hi everybody! Welcome back sa aking channel. And again, Jessey here. So, today, gagawa tayo ulit ng panibagong food DIY. So, dahil nga sa matagal-tagal akong nakababad sa panonood ng mga Korean telenovelas, nag-crave ako and also inisip ko na gumawa ng food DIY na related sa Korean drama. And that is Korean fried rice. So, if you want to know kung paano gawin ang recipe na ito, tara, samahan niyo ko. Again guys, thank you for watching. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. You can also click the notification bell for more updates on new uploaded videos. I will see you on the next one. Salamat!